Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your productivity with Notion, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Notion account if you haven't already. Visit the Notion website and sign up using your email address. Once signed in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Explore the sidebar, where you can find templates and pages. Next, create your first page by clicking the New Page button. Title this page according to your planned project or goal. Now, let's organize your page by selecting a layout that suits your needs. You can choose from templates like to-do lists, calendars, or databases. Integrate a to-do list to track your daily tasks effectively. Click the plus icon and select to-do list from the block options. Add your tasks along with due dates for better time management. Now, let's create a calendar to visualize your schedules. Click plus and select Calendar from the menu. Add events and deadlines directly onto your calendar for clarity. Next, incorporate a notes section on your page for quick thoughts and ideas. Select text and create a space for jotting down essential notes. To enhance collaboration, invite team members to your Notion workspace. Click Share in the top right corner and enter their email addresses. Now, let's dive into databases for a more organized approach. Create a new page and choose Database from the options. Set fields like name, status, and priority to manage projects smoothly. Link related databases to keep information interconnected. Use Notion's powerful search feature to find information instantly. Customize your workspace by adding icons and cover images for a personal touch. To boost your productivity further, explore third-party integrations. Connect tools like Google Drive or Slack to streamline your workflow. Regularly review and update your pages to maintain productivity. Implement daily or weekly reviews to adjust your tasks and goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.